Hello, this is a Hunter Bayport 107 centimeter from 2001 in antique brass finish. I got it new in the box. It was used a little bit, but not much, so it's almost new. This is the box. As you can see, it's an older style of Hunter box. Their boxes don't look like this anymore. The box is a little bit scratched up, as you can see. I would have preferred a polished brass model, but they're extremely rare in polished brass, and I didn't want it to get a white model, so I've been able to get this beautiful antique brass model. Even the antique brass ones are still not as common as the white ones. It's all complete. All the parts are there, but you probably noticed the canopy. It's like those newer Hunter canopies. I don't know if it was changed or not, but apparently it wasn't. Apparently it's really the original canopy by what the previous owner told me. So I was pretty surprised to see a canopy like this on a 2001 Hunter. The pull chain is obviously a replacement. Well, like a newer Hunter pull chain. You can see it's the newer Hunter logo. And it's got the little sign of a fan on the other side. It's very heavy, by the way. It's almost as heavy as a Casablanca pull chain, almost. So it keeps the pull chain very, very straight. I just don't like the fact that the pull chain doesn't match the one that comes out of the fan, but still, it's fine. I love the brackets on these. They have pretty unique brackets. I love them. They don't look like what we always see, basically. It's one of my rare fans with square tip blades. So that's the blades are reversible from medium oak to rosewood. This is the medium oak side. It's beautiful, I love it. The rosewood side of the blades. It's my first fan that have these type of brackets like this. I don't know exactly how they're called, but they basically hide the side here. I usually don't like those too much, but with this style of switch housing they look nice. And on most of these Hunters they look nice. It's one of these Hunters that are made in Thailand. It changes from always China or Taiwan. And I think it's got the motor called Whisper Wind. I've noticed that on the motor there's a lot of vents that you usually don't see on most of their drive motors. I know that's pretty unique to Hunter motors. It works very well. It's very quiet. It's impossible to hear the bearings. And it's also pretty powerful. So here it is on high speed. It does about like 200 or 210 RPMs. On high speed it has a very slight wobble, but that's it. I can feel a lot of air from where I am right now. It's a very good air mover. Here it is on medium speed. You can see a pretty big difference between the high and medium. On medium it's about, it's got a very like regular medium speed. Not too fast, not too slow, so I think it's about like 130 RPMs. So that's a perfect medium. We can still feel a lot of air from it on medium. And it's much quieter. And now here it is on low speed. I love how thick the housing is. The pitch on the brackets is very good and very pronounced. I guess it does about 75 RPMs on low. It's very fortunate that not more people bought this model. It's a very cute model, very simple, very classic, especially for the years that it was made. But we really don't see it very often. It's a model that just got discounted new, I think last year, 2011, I think it's got discounted new. And even the antique brass ones are getting more and more hard and harder to see for sale on like eBay or places like these. So I'm really glad I got one before they like completely disappear. Thank you for watching.